Why should I feel discouraged? Why should the shadows come? Why should my heart feel lonely?
I'm better than that.
Yeah, I want to make sure we got enough for everybody. When it's back to so many people out here.
Yeah. Reach it.
Hey, we moved pretty fast with just 2 people, huh? Okay. How many we got still? Oh, we gotta head back a little bit. We still got about 7, 8 people. Okay. And soda? I got some more snacks and stuff back there. If we run out, we got snacks and different stuff right there. Okay. I'm gonna grab that stuff. It's you next. How you doing today? Okay. All we got left is snacks now. Is that okay?
Okay, let's go.
She got sandwiches. Just a little bit. I'll give you what's left.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Would you like some? Here, let me get a bag for you to put the sandwiches in. Give her some bag.
God bless you. God bless you.
We'll get her some bag.
I need to get her.
Open the door.
That's
It never fails. Every time we're out here doing something, we get somebody to show up to help us. So praise God.
He watches. I know He watches.
We're down here in Atlanta feeding the homeless come rain or shine, and we have some special help with us today. Her name is Chastity. Hi. Hello, Chastity. Chastity, how do you feel about the Feed the Homeless tour and what we're trying to accomplish?
I feel happy. I feel grateful because I realize how much I take for granted at home, eating chips in the bed and drinking sodas, and people out here in the cold, freezing, and you know, they're so grateful for the food, because I've come across so many people that just wanted money to buy alcohol, but there's so many homeless out there that want food just to eat, and they're just grateful for it. So I'm just honored and happy to be able to help out.
Thank you so much for helping out. So like we said, it's raining down here in Atlanta today, but raining don't stop you from being homeless, so we ain't let it stop us from feeding the homeless today. So thank y'all so much for watching. And we hope to have your support as we go on this Feed the Homeless tour beginning in March. We're still doing several fundraisers and doing our best to raise money for that cause, so that we won't be just doing it out of our car. We'll have a kitchen and we'll have everything that we need to continue to give to people and won't run out like we normally do when we just have everything in the car. So we hope to have your support with them. The website's coming soon. We're really working on a lot of things to get everything up and going. So stay tuned and watch the progress. Thank you so much.
I know He watches me. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because